Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from exponential equations for the real values of x. Equation is 4 power x plus 4x equal to 4. So let's get started. I will write our equation 4 power x equal to 4 minus 4x. In LHS, we have one exponential function, so it would be monotonic increasing. In RHS, we have one straight line with negative slope, so function would be monotonic decreasing. Let us plot. If I will draw it, this is our 4 power x, which is monotonic increasing function. And here we can draw our line 4 minus 4x, y-intercept is 4, slope is negative. One function is monotonic decreasing, another function is increasing, so we will get single intersection point. So, unique solution we will get. Now, LHS is always greater than 0. So, RHS must be greater than 0. So, I can generate one condition on x. 4 minus 4x should be greater than 0. Add 4x to both sides. So, plus and minus 4x will be cancelled out. I can write 4 should be greater than 4x or 1 should be greater than x. So, our condition is x should be less than 1. Let us solve our equation. 4 power x plus 4x equal to 4. I will divide both sides by 4 first. Now I can write 4 power x over 4 plus 4x over 4 equal to 1. Now this 4 and 4 will be over. Now we can use one exponential property, a power b over a power c. This will be equal to a power b minus c. Let us say this 4 is having power 1. So we can write 4 power x minus 1 plus x equal to 1. Let's subtract 1 from both sides. So our equation, this will be equal to 4 power x minus 1 plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use substitution. Let us say this x minus 1 equal to, suppose y. So I can write our equation in y. So it will become 4 power y plus y equal to 0. And this is our substitution. I can write here 4 power y equal to negative y. Now raise both sides, power 1 over y. So I will write here power 1 over y. Here also power 1 over y. Now I can write one property, a power b whole power c equal to a power b times c. So I can write in LHS 4 power y times 1 over y. This will be equal to minus y raised to the power 1 over y. Now we can cancel. So it will become 4 power 1, which is 4, equal to minus y raised to the power 1 over y. Now I will use another substitution. Let us say minus y equal to 1 over a. So I can write from here y value. This will be equal to minus 1 over a. This is negative sign. Now we have 1 over y also. So I will write from here 1 over y value. This will be equal to negative a. Let's apply. This value we will apply here. and minus y we will apply here. So I can write 4 equal to 1 over a whole power negative a. And remember, our substitution is minus y equal to 1 over a. So I will write 1 over a whole power negative a equal to 4. Now 1 over a, this is equal to a power minus 1. So we can write a power minus 1 whole power minus a equal to 4. Using exponent property, I can write a power minus 1 times minus a equal to 4. So a power a will be equal to 4. And this 4 we can write 2 square. Now we have base equal to 2. We have exponent equal to 2. So conclusion will be a equal to 2. Now the turn of putting back our substitution. So our substitution was minus y was 1 over a and x minus 1 was y. So if I will write here a value, so a value will be minus 1 over y. So I will write minus 1 over y equal to 2. So we can write y value will be equal to negative half and x minus 1 equal to y. So I will write x minus 1 equal to negative half or x equal to 1 minus 1 over 2. So value will be half. So our solution will be x equal to half. Let us verify this. I will write verification. X equal to 1 over 2. LHS 4 power x plus 4x. So I can write 4 power 1 over 2 plus 4 times 1 over 2. Now 4 can be written as 2 square, whole power is 1 by 2 plus 2. Now this value will be 2. So 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, and 4 is our RHS. Hence our solution is verified. So our final answer becomes x equal to half. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Till next video, goodbye.